all, welcome to Debugger's Den, and today we are back with some job and internship opportunities for the batch 2021, 22, 23 and 24. Make sure you watch this video till end so that you get updated with all the job and internship opportunities. Let's get started. Coming on to our first company, Onit Fresher Dash. They are hiring for the trainee engineer with the experience of 0 to 2 years. Coming on to their eligibility criteria, they asked for the years of experience with 0 to 2 years. The skills they want is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and SQL. Eligibility criteria is given this, and graduation year must be 2019 to 2021. Coming on to the challenge format, there will be 10 MCQs and 2 basic programming questions, and for which you can register from January 21 to January 30. And the duration of the test will be 3 hours. The timing is also given, and you can register through the link given below into the description box. Now, knowing more about the position they will be hiring is for the trainee engineer, and the experience they want is 0 to 2 years, which we already discussed. Job location will be Pune, and the openings is for the 10 candidates. Again, if you want to know about the work you will be doing, you can read here, and you can read on the link given below in the description box. You can also read about the company, and if you want to give the sample challenge, then you can also give that here. So if you're interested in Onit, you can register from the link given into the description. Now we are moving forward towards our next hiring. The next hiring is from the Deloitte. Deloitte is hiring for the analyst trainee position. The job description is given here, and you can read about it from the link given into the description box. Coming on to the eligibility criteria, the eligibility criteria are: you should be the graduate of the 2022, should be having aggregate 60% or above or equivalent CGPA. The degrees are: if you are a student of BTech, if you are a student of BTech, BE, MTech or MCA, then you can apply for this job, and all the branches are also mentioned here. The branches like information technology, mathematics and computing, all circuit branches are eligible for this hiring. Going on to the process, there will be the registration, and in registration you have to submit your resume and some other details, and you can register for the same by clicking on this button. Then after registration, there will be a shortlisting. So make sure you make a very good resume which can attract them and which can make you shortlisted. After shortlisting, there will be an online assessment, then there will be a personal interview, and then the result declaration. So it is a great opportunity from Deloitte, and the package will be from 6 to 8 LPA. The last date for the application is December 19, 11:55 PM. So make sure you apply just now so that you don't miss this opportunity. Now moving forward, the next opportunity is from the Wipro. They are hiring for Elite National Talent Hunt. So this is a hiring program for the graduate of 2021 and 2022. You can apply by clicking on this registration button via the link given into the description box below. Coming on to the eligibility criteria of the same, so qualification needed is BE, BTech, ME or MTech. Also, your full-time course should be recognized by the central state government of India. There should be no part-time or correspondence or distance learning education in degree, 10th or 12th. Apart from this, your year of passing should be 2020, 21 or 2022. One backlog is allowed till the offer stage, and you should be having 60% or 6 CGPA or equivalent as per university guidelines. In 10 and 12, they also demand 60% above. The age limit is 25, and you can apply till 31st of January 2022. Evaluation process of the same goes as follows: registration, then assessment, after that business discussion, then they will offer you an offer letter. Exciting opportunities and the growth that we'll get. So the joining compensation will be 3,50,000, and along with this you will be also getting flat bonus post 6 months from the joining, which will be 25,000. Other than this, there will be regularly increment merged bonus on 18th, 24th and 36th month from the date of joining. They are hiring for the project engineer, and there are some additional criteria. Now, if you want a detailed video on the same, or if you want a detailed video on any of the hiring, then you can let us know, and we'll be coming with that also. So the next hiring is from Headout, and they are hiring for the software engineer intern, and the location is Bangalore, and you can apply through the link given into the description box. These are all the details that you need to fill, and make sure you prepare a nice resume before applying for this job. Next hiring is from the Directly. They want DevOps engineer intern who are graduating in 2022. The job location will be Bangalore, Karnataka. Now coming on to the requirements they want you to be good with the tech fundamentals like OS networking, security databases, system administration, system design and programming. Bonus points will be if you have contributed to the open source, have a AWS infrastructure, active tech blogger, then these will act as a bonus point. Along with this, you should be having a good programming skills and a problem solving skills. You should be having behavioral attributes, and these are all the points they want in a candidate. So if you feel confident about the requirements, and if you think if you have such knowledge, then you can apply for this role. Now you can apply for this role from the link given below into the description box. Go and check the link. Coming on to the next hiring, the next opportunity is from Zeta. They want intern software development engineer graduate 2022. The location is again Bangalore, and they have written their description. And apart from this, the skills they want is you should be good with your Java, C#, Python, Ruby, Python, C++, JavaScript. If you have any of the skills mentioned below, if you're good at any of the skills, then you can apply for this job and you can grab this opportunity. Here are some of the bonus points, like if you're an active blogger, open source contributor, then these will add up to your resume or the selection. Now you can fill the form and you can apply for this job through the link given below into the description box. Moving on to our next hiring. The next hiring is for the data science intern at PayU. This is a form which you can fill and you can grab the opportunity. Make sure you have a good resume prepared to apply for this opportunity. And if you are if you want to go into the field of data science intern, then this opportunity is for you, and this will be a great opportunity for you. So that was all about this video, and I hope you liked this video. And if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any query, then you can ask that into the comment section, and you can apply for each of the jobs through the link given into the description box. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in the next video.